Hi guys, this is my brand new range of stainless steel cookware with Tefal. It's absolutely beautiful. The latest thermo signal technology is brilliant. So you have the hourglass here. When it goes away, it's the perfect temperature for cooking, right? Then we've got the latest generation of non-stick. It's absolutely brilliant, making it easier to cook, less fat required, and also easier to clean. Easy, easy peasy. Then look at the base, a nice fat base. Brilliant for heat retention. No hot spots, so it gives you the ultimate control when you hold this pan and cook in this pan. Of course, the pots are beautiful, but have a look at that. We've put some nice little measurement amounts here. Easy, beautiful, technically brilliant. This is just to make your life easier. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you've got a set of pans and you're thinking, could I have better? Do I need to upgrade? Please have a look, have a feel more importantly, because these are the best. Enjoy.